Cloud Pub Subs. We are going to cover here introduction of Google Cloud Pubs and Subs and how it is working, the flow of messages and dashboard, and what is the use cases, and we do some exercise. So Cloud PubSub is managed processing queue or messaging queue service which work on publisher and subscriber model. So if you know a publisher and subscriber model, for example Kafka streaming service, so it is working same way. So publisher publishes the message to the particular topic here I mean is a, so employee is a table, so in the MySQL is come employee, but in Kafka or PubSub we call this topic. All subscriber which are subscribed that topic receive message until the acknowledgement is not sent. PubSub is guarantee that message will be sent to subscribe at least one. You can consider PubSub as alternative to Apache Kafka, which is open source alternative. So let's explore the more about PubSub. The PubSub is used to decouple service. Decouple means one service is failed, so only we need to restart that service from each of and enable them to scale independently. The service can communicate with each other using the queue and send update to all other services which are dependent upon them. Apart from this, PubSub can also use for gather real-time data from different IoT devices and push into the BigQuery for analysis. So if you watch my previous lecture, I have already given the lecture about the BigQuery, how BigQuery is working and where to use, but for the now you just remember the keyword. The Cloud PubSub is integrated with most of the GCP service by default, and you can also easily access the integration on the home page service itself. On the when you go to the Google Cloud, you can easily access PubSub service. But for now, we focus on Cloud PubSub only. Let's understand PubSub workflow. So this is publisher A and publisher B. Publisher A send message 1, publisher B send message 2. The topic of publisher A is A, publisher B is a B. Then subscription is XA and XB. Message 1 and message 2. So both can read message in the subscriber X. So XB is the one subscriber, so he can take data from many topics. So here one topic is many subscriptions. So one topic C, message 3, and then it go to the message C, and subscription is a YC and GC, message 3 message, so they can read the same message. So it's working like that. You are a subscriber, you can read from multiple message, multiple topic, and same way is the reverse way. So one topic many subscriber, and here one topic is one subscriber working. So let's understand like a few topology. Topic what is a topic for in the real world example I'm working for real-time data. So each table in typical RDBMS is called a topic. So let's understand more details. Logical queue which act interface between subscriber and publisher. The topic is the way of logically organized communication channel between subscriber and publisher. For example, we can have topic name music where all the music related messages are published. In the subscriber want to get update related to music, they only subscribe this. And publisher, in PubSub architecture, first part is pub, stands for publisher, and publisher is something that send messages to the queue. It can be any HTTPS client that can make HTTP request and send messages in the queue. Subscription, the name of the resource represent the streaming of messages from single specific topic. It be delivered to subscription applications. Subscriber can many applications that can use message to perform some action. Subscriber is subscribers to subscription is receive message. So subscription is only interface to consume. So subscription is basically consume. Publisher is the send a message. And now the message is nothing like row, right? Combination of data, optional attribute, and publisher send a topic, and it is eventually delivered to subscriber. Message attribute is like key value pair, or it can be like directly values, and the first they will send you the column list, and then you can delimited or some delimiter value. The key value part of publisher can define from message. You can also consider this is the metadata for the message. For example, language tag, his value is en, which could added in the message mark them a readable English speaking subscriber. Is the subscribe is any application subscribe the topic using subscription. A subscriber can use more than one subscriber to receive message from other topic. Also, there can be more than one subscriber specific topic as well as implementation depend on the business logic. So flow of message. So now we understand few topologies. So basically, you just need to understand topic, publisher, subscription, message, and all those things. Now, how they send a message. So publisher, message, then go to the topic, and topic is a message storage. So it can ideally store 3 days, but again it's depend upon setting. The 3 is subscription. Okay, and this subscriber, this the message he will read, but once he read, he send a message to subscription also. Okay, already I received. So if you acknowledge not send the message the subscriber, then Cloud PubSub delivered message one more time and save the message to message store until the exception is period. This will increase the acknowledged message count and new message start pulling it. Hence the sending acknowledges for message is recommendation. So acknowledgement is so like sometime we fail to get the message. So every message subscriber will send okay I received, then send me the next message, something like that. Okay, the message delivery is totally dependent on type of subscription use. The Cloud PubSub provide two type of, so there is a two type of the message delivery, either you push or pull, right? So we discuss about what two. When you pull the method message delivery use, you need to create pull subscription. The subscription need to request upcoming message using the subscription. Either subscribers can continuously pull incoming message or use periodic pull. So there is pull mechanism. Most of people use this one. So for that we need to create some access ID and key is there. Once you get, then you can start. Push means when you push the method message delivery use, you need to specify one publicly accessible HTTP endpoint, and the messages are delivered to endpoint using HTTP protocol request. The delivery of message is immediate. You can also configure retention or acknowledge message and subscription deleting policy to automatically delete inactive subscription. So this is what we have gone. Now let's understand some real world problem or Google. Let's do some practical. So let's look at Cloud PubSub dashboard. So if you click main menu in the Google Cloud and then big data, then PubSub, there will be no hence topic. So create topic, GCP course demo. I created this one, and then soon you will see the created. You will redirect to topic dashboard. It will have a different section here, but from the focus on publish message button. Click on publish message button, open UC. So this is once we create topic, we will get GCP publish message, whatever we created. This one view message, export BigQuery, export to cloud storage. Now once we click on the publish message, the form will be have following in the number of message in interval more than one. Then you need to define after how many interval the message could be delivered. Again, field will be disabled because it will be delivering only once. Message body, some text message. So it is like that, number of message interval, message body. Okay, so here we are sending welcome to GCP course publish, and then go back to demo. You go back to topic dashboard. If you are following the GCP course demo, click on view message. So which previously we create the message, refresh subscription, GCP full method. We are not using post, and message retention is 7 days. Okay, add attribution topic. For example, attribute key value is not, there is some method. Then we create enable message. So now we have an end-to-end message flow and control represents ready to let's publish. In the left side plan topic name, publish message, view message, enable full method. So this is what we are saying. We see, so this is we did, and we can see the same message which we have in topic. So we have done this exercise. We create a topic, and then we create, so if you see here, okay, we create message, create topic, then we publish some message, and then we retrieve using subscription model for full model. So you can also do practice in the Google Cloud. For the time being, we are going here use cases. So okay, so we have gone through pub subs now. Now we have basic idea, but now we need to understand where we will use this one, because it's very important. On the right time, right tool we should use, right? So streaming analytics, right? Streaming is kind of like real time data. So it can use Google Cloud Streaming and makes data more organized, useful, and accessible from instance generated. Cloud PubSub is used for gathering continuous streaming. Continuous streaming means real time from mobile, IoT device, laptop, and other network device for the pipeline. Asynchronous microservice integration. PubSub works messaging middleware for the traditional service integration, simple communication medium for microservice. By the looking at topic dashboard, you can image the integration of PubSub and other service. For example, whenever you come across capture the streaming data, PubSub, decouple, asynchronous application architecture, then Cloud PubSub is the answer. Okay, so this is the we did. Also, I'm requesting you guys, please like and subscribe my channel so I can create good new videos. Now let's do some exercise, and which is example by Google Cloud. Empower your Gmail inbox with Google Cloud function and Cloud PubSub. So Google Cloud function and PubSub, these are real-time things. So let's understand all those things. Okay, so what they are saying, empowering Gmails and cloud, and it, so this link I will provide, you can create, but I will go through fast this one. So billions of business and individuals, so whenever you do, try to understand what the problem they are trying to solve. So if you know the goal, then you can understand more. So let's understand the goal or introduction. Billion of businesses, individual use Gmails and other G Suite service communicate the process data. Google offer G Suite's API help access the information these service programmatically, and you can use API to easily automate daily workflow. In this lab, you will build a powerful Gmail extension, automatically categorize Gmail incoming messages, and save category in Google Sheets. This is extension will use G Suite. Okay, so this is basically what problem they. So you have Sheets and you define business rules or Gmail types. So automatically they will Gmail they can put categorize your Gmail sheets, right? So what we build in this lab, you will build a deploy cloud function connected to G Suite API and other Google Cloud Platform service. These function will authorize secure access your Gmail Google Sheets, extract image attached to any incoming mail, categorize those images using cloud version API, write those category and sender address and the name of attachment to the Google Cloud Sheets. This is really important, and this is good use case. What we will learn: basic G Suite's REST API, basic Google Cloud function, and other cloud platform service, and how to access Gmail programmatically using Google Cloud function. And this is what we're going to learn. Google Cloud, Gmail, Google Sheets. You can create account here if you don't have basic knowledge of JavaScript and Notes. So if you know this one, you can do. Now the first thing we do, Google Cloud function, which I have given the lecture about in previous lecture, and Google Cloud PubSub we just now learned. Google Cloud Vision API, this one we haven't learned, but I think in coming lesson we will learn. Google Cloud Data Store also we learn. Gmail API I will teach you in next lecture or upcoming lecture. Google Sheets API, this is simple like Google Gmail API, those are APIs. Now Google Cloud function. So Google Cloud function is a serverless function as a service platform, allow you to run individually snippets code function in simple scalable manner. To enable Google Cloud function, click on here menu, pins appear here top of left screen, your left navigation sidebar. So here what we did, Google Cloud function we enable. Then Google Cloud Publishing just now. Google PubSub is a simple, scalable function data streaming, event delivery, and lab seems to, yeah. Okay, so we are going to learn about this one. Navigate, API, data store mode, select data store mode, Google Cloud Vision. So these are few things here. Open Google Cloud Shell using, this is Cloud Shell we can open. Then we type the git clone, and this is Gmail Quad Lab git, and then we go to under gits. So I'm not going to details, but yes, few. So this is the first number is a Gmail, then cloud function, then go here PubSub, I think, then it goes back to Google, and again it's check again here real time, again it's this process is also doing again and then finding here, then it putting here, then here. So the first one is a Gmail post notification. Every time new message in arrive inbox, Gmail will send notification Google Cloud PubSub. Cloud PubSub delivered the new message notification to Cloud function. I think this is PubSub and this is Cloud function. Once arrival to new message notification, Cloud function instance connect to Gmail and receive the new message. Okay. If the Gmail has image and attachment, Cloud function instance call the Cloud Vision API to analyze the attachment. Okay. And the Cloud function instance update Google Sheets. You choose define Cloud function will update here and message. So this is very simple diagram, like it coming here and then here, then going back, keep on doing. If any message come, then you will write, then they analyze also. So this is the architecture. Authorize access to Gmails, then you need to do authorization and some coding. And this is the setup. So I hope you can go this one and do your best exercise and see if you can do. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe channel.